This is a series of a few videos about my attempt to build the world's best sliding table attachment in the DIY world to any table saw. Hi YouTube, what's up? It's been a while since we met, I'm afraid. Sorry for the long delay. The good news is this project hasn't passed away. I will finish it. This is part 4. Let's dive right into it. Obwohl, just to be honest, there's there is blah blah. There's one thing I wanted to mention before we start. It's about dust. I realized I have lots of dust in my workshop, and I learned from other videos on YouTube this can be a health issue. So I decided to take care of the dust before I proceed with this project, and this is what I've done in order to deal with the dust. I bought a vacuum cleaner, shop vac irgendwas, and I bought a air filtering device. This little sucker here, I think it was a Black Friday offer, about 85 euros if I remember correctly. This tube goes into the cyclone, and from the cyclone to the saw or any other tool. Oops. Yeah, this is what it looks from the inside. Okay, all right, very good. Here you can add any tool. I have 2 tools here. One of them is the saw, I think this one. This is the drill. And as soon as the saw draws energy, this thing will start to operate. Yeah, and when this thing is running, it's looking something like this. I used it for quite some time now, but nevertheless, this bag in here is absolutely empty. This is the only thing that's in it. So pretty awesome, in my opinion. It works like a charm. And this is the air filtering device. Guys, take your health seriously. Do something against all the dust in your workshop. It's absolutely worth it. At least go with a filter mask. That's cheap and very effective too. Short recap. This video is about the sled that's running on the fence on the side of this saw, and especially a mechanism to lock it in place precisely. Man cave. Real man cave.
You
Yeah, okay. Okay guys, I can't stress enough how important this is, because this project has several points of failure. This was one of those, but hooray, it's accurate. That was the next point of failure, the mechanism to lock the sled in place precisely and repeatable. But I think it works pretty well. I'm happy with it. And yeah, since we have slightly more than 7 minutes now, I will pause the video for now. And I would be glad if you tune in for the 5th part, where we'll try to complete the sled and make the accessories for the sled. Thanks. See you.